Hi Earth people, I am Chingiz together with you. Today, May 17, 2025. Biz bu şeye now using as additional tool where I keep my notebook as glasses. This means I in this situation when, of course, this authority of Ilham Aliyev, I will behind him, her, we also good know, try intervene to this change his life, for broke, for complicate, or do not possible, impossible, mission impossible. Life online, live streaming. And so, Twitter seems that not only Twitter, Rothschild and Co., US rulers, Jewish Zionist elite, and the murders, Trump, Musk, Zuckerberg, his Alphabet, etc., YouTube, seems that they decided suspend my account and suspend me from social medias. Last one from Twitter come, reason their absurdity, and so they in Twitter, in my profile, I posted these warnings from Twitter, and it's not only Rothschild collaborated with Putler, and Ilham Aliyev at Putler, or this scheme. And Rothschild means Netanyahu, means British monarchy family. Or these five who truly think they can continue to control me, and United States means when I talk about Rothschild and Co. And doing anything what they failing, and now they, I think, decided and go in way where they will suspend me, my activity in internet entirety, but in Twitter, in this case, concrete. So, and you're seeing, if you go online and you join it, man, you're seeing how Ilham Aliyev, Petuch authority, intervening. They acting provocative forum. After that, they will try use that too. Or Sodom Himorro, this is Ilham Aliyev, Sodom Himorro authority, or intervene one, I know reacted. This is about real time what happening, live stream. I know reacted, second one, third one, and now they increasing, already coming to online and acting as Sodom Himorro, and this directly Ilham Aliyev, Madam President of Azerbaijan, Ilham Aliyev, and her colonel generals directly. Sodom Himorro means Petuch authority. And behind them who also, again, I will repeat now again, Netanyahu, Israel, both Putin, Netanyahu, Israel, Mossad helping Ilham Aliyev by putting green light, high-tech device and programs supplied to Ilham Aliyev, Banke. British monarchy family behind Ilham Aliyev family from start, 1993 coup time. Now Trump, this marinated goose in White House. Rothschild puppet, Rothschild. Trump no decision maker, but Trump very murdar as Rothschild, Netanyahu, Ilham Aliyev, Putin, British monarchy family, human animals, all of them. And what I saying is based on fact check and all public source, undeniably, confirmed, verified fact check. All of them acting as murdar Sodom Gomorrah forum lifestyle, and they committing live stream genocide. Putler and Ilham Aliyev Putler in Ukraine, and now mostly Netanyahu and together with Trump against Palestinians, and they prepare go big war. Fact check. Who are they? What they plan to do in big war time, and as outcome of big war, what should happen in their plan. I also decided from talking to you repeatedly as people. So they prepare suspend me from social media, starting from Twitter. We will see how this will end. And in this period of time about genocide, live stream genocide, in this period of time, when I revealing and those people revealing truth about Jewish Zionist elite which rule the world, who are they, and they product Israel authority, and Trump in White House for that reason, go big war, and what happening today against Palestinians in Gaza, this pre-big war, this should be established, and they established this, and go further. What Trump, in one hand, saying, and this no freestyle, this he, she, Trump, no decision maker. Rothschild, decision maker. Okay? And we revealing them. When they decided, hit themselves. United States image, etc. And Trump start blah blah as marinated goose against Netanyahu. Netanyahu same way against Trump. This playbook. I immediately said that, and confirmation of that. They are not changed plan. This fresh. Trump administration in the United States prepare working on plan, relocate Palestinians, 1 million Palestinians from Gaza to Libya. This Trump. And what he said few months ago, 1 month ago, 2 months ago, before starting playbook as he against Netanyahu, Netanyahu against her, same position, they play book because they reveal it, explain it fully, they try to hit themselves, but same way they should do what Trump in White House for that. She should do that. And she prepare for that. 1 million Palestinians only in one country, Libya. There are other countries. This ethnic cleansing of Palestinians by genocide, already their genocide, starvation, and live stream. There is people. You means countries, states, member of United Nations General Assembly. What you waiting for? You think this not will happen, big war not will happen. You directly on the street, you're armless, you understand that? All of you, entire world, entire members of United Nations, almost, and directly very deadly threat, because they big war and they plan exterminate 5 billion of you by viruses, which they will launch same time, dozen, each one speedy, deadly, powerful than COVID-19, which also was their job. Putin, Rothschild. And who you also know. For what you waiting? Those people. We have option, legal option, based on international law, officially, but only option. But this is our only option, which call it name, United for Peace Resolution of United Nations General Assembly, which given to General Assembly act directly, powerfully, without Security Council, which fully paralyzed and green lighting this live-stream genocide and ethnic cleansing of Palestinians. And we will succeed by using this our own option, if we will act together. For what you're waiting for again? More than 170 countries of the world. All of you want change this system which rule the world and rule it, own it, rule it by Jewish Zionist elite. And all of you won't change that because it's evil Satan, obviously. The United States political establishment fully belong to them. Western countries, absolute majority fully belong to them, including Britain, Germany, and others. For what you're waiting? Not will happen. Lottery. Maybe will, maybe not. And you can't act this forum. When you seeing them live streaming, who are they? Wake up finally. More than 170 countries. Come to General Assembly. Join to Spain. I welcome Prime Minister Sanchez initiative. Go General Assembly and act against Israel boycotting Palestinians in Gaza. And also his position, he refused trade, which state who committed genocide means Israel, Spain official position, I welcome that, very important. Means nations join. Join, use United for Peace resolution, sanction Israel fully. Fully. Not only arm embargo, trade embargo, boycott Israel, sanction the officials, all of them, political establishment, who fully involved on this genocide, and other institutions of Israel, and create forces without delay. This peacekeeping, as we know, is not enough, not will work. They even not have opportunity to that. By using United for Peace resolution and the United Nations flag, and you more than 170 countries acting as one team, and this key point, one team. Decision, implementation. Decision, implementation. One team, all 170 countries. We will prevent the big war. We will stop genocide on Gaza. We will stop the, by any way go, ethnic cleansing of Palestinians. We will stop them. And this should happen now, without delay, now. Use United for Peace, UFP of UNGA, United Nations General Assembly. Time for that. I will show you some, in this case, we'll try, I hope live not will end it. I simply will turn camera to my notebook where I will show you how they are happening. All of that. Episodes, fact check, very, very truly fascist, Hitler, and so symbolic. All of that using by Israel authority. Look, this man, look, man, a Palestinian go, a Israeli army. What they're doing, look. Shoot, he fell. They're coming.
I arrived in Berlin, and the lawyer of an organization that had
And this Francesca
me informed me that the police had communicated to them their intention to arrest me for some of my statements, which, the problematic statements included the fact that Germany had committed 2 genocides in the span of 30 years, the one in Namibia against the Herero and Nama populations, and of course the genocide of the Jewish people, the Roma and Sinti, and others, including disabled people in Europe. So this was, according to the police, to the ears of the police, trivializing the Holocaust, because of course in Germany there is only one and one only genocide. Of course I was not trivializing. As a European, I bring the Holocaust as a vivid memory of the monstrosity that we can become, and I don't want anything like that happening to today. This is why for me also as a person, what's happening in Gaza is unacceptable. But then the other thing is that I mentioned from the river to the sea, which is something for which you can be arrested. I was simply describing the geography of the land between the river, which is under Israeli control, either because it's Israel's territory or because it's occupied territory, and it is from the river to the sea. And this was enough to trigger the sensitivity of the Israeli embassy and its acolytes, wherever they are.
Sorry. First video was, and West Bank, they are fully Israeli state, and next, including Eastern Jerusalem. And what in Gaza happening, you know, all they are labeled almost, and they are more than 2 million people. Of course, part of them already exterminated by Jewish human animals, murders, backed by murder human animal Trump now. The United States political establishment mostly complicit, but Germany too, Britain too, others, Western, EU leadership to fact check. They shot him, Palestinians, come to him and start beat to death, likely. But anyway, Nazi Germany. And these murders from Germany, Marais, Merz, before him, short mode, fully complicit. Same about United States, even much more, of course. Mostly United States. Second video about Francesca Albanese, who targeted by German for arrest her because she revealing truth about German genocide too, but she special rapporteur of United Nations on occupied Palestinian territory, and she revealed 2 reports and proof of a third, revealing truth what they happened. No doubt, for that reason, Germany decided arrest her. Try. German European Union country. And they are live streaming genocide. Yeah. In Palestine, in Gaza. So I continue watch what here. Second, sorry. This is all despite what I'm doing now. Believe me, they despite. They try to impossible almost for that. Well, look, this info about how Trump prepared. But Trump and here people, I will show their photo. And here, Trump administration working on plan to permanently relocate up to 1 million Palestinians from Gaza to Libya. This murder. He thinks he can, he have right for that. And here is Murdar's photo of human animal. Look. I also calling him marinated goose because she, no decision maker, but she intentionally part of this satanic action. Look. their people, Palestinians, under genocide. They are under genocide by ethnic cleansing, starvation there, starvation. What does he know? What does he know? It never again. 1945. Look, no same photo. Exactly same photo. Exactly legs, body, face. This old photo. And today, 2025, Palestinian. He's doing Netanyahu, Trump, no doubt, same did already in Ukraine genocidal actions. Putin and Ilham Aliyev under Putin, at Putin, and British monarch family, and Trump already said. And impact of them is Rothschild and Co. They think they can do that and still impune. We can't allow that as people. The direct death sentence to you, enter to you. No doubt. They this before your eyes. Look at this murder. Trump, Witkoff, involved, murder, made a deal. Free the US soldier, and in return, the Israelis will lift the siege of Gaza to allow aid in. But Americans were lying. It's about this United States citizen soldier of Israel army, and which was captured as hostage. Hamas released him, but these murderers broke deal after release of this person. Hamas say Trump involved, broke deal. Murderers. The action or covert murders. Yes, Spain Prime Minister Pedro Sanchez. We do not trade with a genocidal state. We're together. I replay. And they are about how Spain take initiative, go to use General Assembly. And this should be in forum using United for Peace resolution of United Nations General Assembly. Our only option. What about Arabs? Murdars. You think they're not? Look at Saudi Arabia, United Arab Emirates, Qatar. They awarded Trump, United States, by trillions dollars deals. More than direct figure, $1.4 trillion from United Arab Emirates, approximately same from Qatar, and also around 1 billion up from Saudi Arabia. When Trump doing that, as we witnessing, fully complicit on the genocide, live stream genocide, committed by Netanyahu and co. against Palestinians. Fully complicit, Trump. How they murderers, how they criminals, how they Satan, evil, all of them. When they mask, drop it finally. There's no interest about Arab worlds, Arab countries. But particularly these Gulf countries, yes. They're Bahrain too, okay? So, what this means, and why this genocide happening, and why already Libya maybe agreed, because United States using all this situation in Libya too, and they base it on money. This is not Trump. Trump part of that. But money, big is amount to pockets, to Kaftar, Maftar, and others. And this play big war established by them. If they will succeed to that, people, unavoidable will can be big war. We should prevent. We shall stop them in Gaza. We shall stop Israel. We do not have other option, people. Without delay, we will act according to international law norm, using United for Peace resolution, creating forces and sending them under United Nations flag there for keep Palestinian people alive and secure, and they aid all that. We'll block Israel's attempt for attack them, and they will stop. At the same time, with our sanctions, embargo, boycott, fully, all 170 countries, more than 170 countries, as one team. But combine all of that will work very effectively. Same time, sanctions against United States of America. United States sanctions ICC prosecutor, International Criminal Court, Chief Prosecutor Karim Khan, and others, and ban it, means block it. Karim Khan email, including Microsoft, joining to that. Visa ban, no travel, even staff, they are specialists on Chief Prosecutor Office, Americans, residents and citizens too, they are specialists. They also, United States administration, Trump administration, treating them demanding stop that. Means they directly intervening for destroy international law, norms, conventions, for anyway keep impune and continuation of life-still genocide against Palestinians by Netanyahu and co. And this murdar Trump doing that, and we will allow that. You're afraid. You will die. You will lose your country, your nation. I'm talking about that. This here directly linked, but today the imposition in sphere, on sphere, when they directly go, we go. And if you will afraid simply about afraid of the simply sanctions, you will lose all. You will lose all. We shall use our countermeasures, sanctions against United States, not afraid. And at the same time, we should, and this very powerful view, in very few years, will finish. Remove the system, financial system. I say we have very correct plan, few years, 2-3 years. African nations, Southeast Asia, ASEAN countries, South America, Central America, including Mexico, Canada if one can join, and in Europe countries who can and won't join. And the other, without BRICS, I'm not talking about BRICS, this evil. We can't allow people, no do mistake, but this truly historical moment, crucial moment. We should use Unite for Peace resolution. All come together, act one team. This not means we will remove one evil, Rothschild and Co system which rule the world, by another evil. By another evil, BRICS. They are evil countries with evil system. Our goal, not this, can't be this, simple and period. Unite for peace, together with me. And we will change the system which rule the world. We will create our new world based on international law and norm. Full transparent financial system and secure financial system. And this will end Jewish Zionist elite rule of the world, which absolute majority of you very want. So join me. Start. Today all happening now, and we should act now without delay. Later will be too late. Do that. I say. Karim Khan investigation eternal, okay. Karim Khan for temporarily suspend himself, suspend himself from his job for do this investigation fully free, fair, free. I'm waiting decision of court as after end of this investigation. Maybe this will take few months, several months maybe. But his deputies there, 2 deputies, and I called them directly. Continue our job. Such attack against Karim Khan, and we know their method. Try use their method and try intervene and stop true action against these murders, human animals, Netanyahu and others. Therefore, I call Deputy Chief Prosecutors both. Join me, and we should fully continue. Karim Khan was prepared arrest warrant against Israel other officials such as Ben-Gvir, Smotrich, their chief military of Israel, and other generals and their other officials. Do your job, Deputy Chief Prosecutors, without delay, not afraid United States sanctions. We much more, and we will create our financial opportunity, and entire United Nations will reform, and we will not watch and look on United States hand. He will give money or not. United States very soon, if they will continue this way, they will watch to our hand. No doubt, people. They choose this way, and we will see how all of that will end to them. Not afraid, and act. They decided to do that, and they're doing that. They not will stop it. They not will stop their plan. They anyway will do. Will go big war, and they will launch big war. Anyway, people, what anyway. They would playbook Trump against Netanyahu. This is all bullshit. Anyway, they go big war. But we can, by using our force and opportunity of United for Peace Resolution in General Assembly, forcibly stop them, prevent the big war. Which one? I said. Sanctions, embargo, boycott, and also create force. And act implementation is act as one team immediately. Decision, implementation, immediately as one team. Do that. If they will treat you some action, not afraid again. At the same time, starting create our structure. This is more correct word, our structure. Without, not belong to United States dollar, not belong to Rothschild & Co. financial system which ruled the world. Together we can, and we will succeed. I know that exactly. Do that. Join me finally. Act powerful, without fear, with belief, love, faith. We will succeed. We will stop them. We will change world much more better, too much more better. I say. Okay, Earth people. Against me here, again, I already said, brutal attacks. The same names. But against you, but against Palestinians, against Ukrainians, against impact of U.S. people, and against me, same name, people, same name. This is also very, very crucial fact check. Same names. Who are they? Be much more powerful. My mission from universe unity for you. And also I very welcome it and hopeful about Pontifex, Pope Leo XIV, leader of Catholic Church. I call you, join me, and powerful act, without delay. We not have time. And Chief of Orthodox Church, Bartholomew, already together with me, I call you, my friend. And I hope Leo 14 also I can call friend. Join me act without delay powerfully. This is crucial. Our day is very crucial. What happening is truth, no movie. Real time happening. And I also exist. This real. I exist from Universe Unity. My mission from Universe Unity for you. I say, today these Earth people, I am Chinggis together with you.